Hi everybody, welcome to week 4. This week we're going to be talking about change and being ready for change and what happens when we get stuck. Sometimes we say that we want to change, but the reality of our life at the moment doesn't allow for it to happen. We might not have enough time to devote to the kinds of activities that would be required in order for us to obtain a new skill, or maybe we really need to do a lot of self-reflection that helps us to change our behavior in some way, and we may not have the opportunity to do that given other kinds of responsibilities. And so one of the things that we can do is help our clients assess themselves for their readiness for change. I really like this quote because it says, "Change is hard at the beginning, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end." And it certainly is hard to get off the dime and get started. And in the middle, things will seem somewhat chaotic and ambiguous and not quite defined, which is, of course, the nature of change itself. But once we can kind of crystallize that new approach to what it is that we're going to be doing, we can really have something to be proud of at the end. And so what I wanted to reiterate with this is that sometimes it will seem like we're not making any progress or that we're stuck. But that is part of the process. And in fact, it's so common that people expect it to be smooth. But in reality, it's really a very non-linear process. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, sometimes a giant leap forward and then a little cha-cha back. It is never quite the way we expect it to happen. And so I don't want anyone to be discouraged if their client isn't making progress, or if they see things happening that they don't understand or don't seem to be moving in the right direction. So what's next? We just have our discussion board for Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. and our weekly assignment due this week by Sunday at 11:59. I'll see everybody on the boards. Have a great week.